Okay, so I got my Puddle Lights in the mail. I already installed one. One says L, one says R. The R is for the driver's side. The L is for the passenger side. All it does is it just plugs in there. Now those little tabs there, you got to be careful because they, if they don't go right in the hole, then it's not going to work. So here, let me take out the other stock one. Now all you need is a flathead. All you do is take, oh no, this side, pop it out just like that. Voila. Now there's a clip. And then you take your other one, and those little tabs there got to go right in there. So you gotta make sure that it fits. See, they're going a little bit up, so what I do is I just take the flathead, push them down a bit. See? I'll take another video tonight to show you guys what it looks like in the dark. So all you do is, once you clip that in, just there, and it's done. 30 seconds. I mean, it's not too dark out, so it's not as bright as it could be, but that's some there. And yeah, $13 I think it was, or 15 taxes in, delivered and everything, so can't go wrong.
Look at this SUV here.
Yeah. Yeah, I was headed to
Don't give her too much, because you can hydroplane in this stuff.
So it wasn't the best race. It was raining, so it was sketchy, but I did it anyways, just because the races don't happen often. So I had to get it on video. And he did the flyby, probably had momentum of a good 20 kilometers an hour on me. Then I put it to the floor and I stayed with him. Then I started gaining slowly on him. But by then I was pretty much, couldn't go any faster. It was raining and I'm governed at 215 anyways. So I think if we would have got a chance to line up, it would have been a good run. I think I would have pulled a little bit top end. But anyways, yeah, so that's the last race I had with this. I was gonna make a race with the MDX against this, but it's just a kind of a pointless race. I want to sell the MDX. My luck, something will blow off if I try to do something stupid with it. So speaking of stupid, what is this guy doing? I love people that don't use blinkers. Stay tuned, and I will be sure to keep the videos coming with every mod that I get or anything interesting happens. So right now, because it's winter time, only loading every 2 to 3 weeks, but hopefully when the summer comes, I'll be able to load every week. I would like to get a couple videos a week up, but how much video content can you really do on one car? There's not much. So yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching. Hit that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I will keep the videos coming. Thanks, see you next time.